Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt, and in this video, we're going to talk about getting your first online sale and why you must do it super fast. And we're going to do it like a total boss. So if it's the first time you've come online, the first time you've seen my videos, I want to share with you how you can become a total boss of your life, how to take control, do the fun things you want to do in life, and you can do it online. And all you have to do is just use a couple of strategies, and then you have to use consistency, and you have to use hard work to make it happen, okay? But before we do that, hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell option. That way you get notified of all of the videos that I come out with to you on a daily basis for you. So coming online and you're just getting started, okay? I'm gonna talk to a couple of different levels of people right here, okay? I'm gonna talk to the person that's just getting started. They just found the internet last week and they wanna start making some money online, okay? I'm gonna talk to them, and then I'm gonna talk to maybe some advanced marketers that have been around for a little bit. Maybe they've seen some trainings, maybe they've tried some things, and they're just not really getting to that next level. But let's talk about your first sale, okay? And why it's important to get it fast. Your first sale online is gonna be the one that you'll always remember for the rest of your life. You always remember that first sale. I remember my first sale. It was way back in like 1997 when I first got started online. I remember it like it was yesterday, because I remember it because it happened, and when it happened, it gave me confidence, and it gave me the belief that this internet thing is going to work, and I can really make some money by using my laptop or being anywhere in the world. I can make money. Okay, so that's the first sale is so important, and if you're just getting started, you got to get it quickly. You got to get it fast, because when you get online, you're going to start watching videos, you're going to start watching trainings, you're going to start going on Facebook, you're going to start going on Twitters. And there's going to be all kinds of different crap and all kinds of people out there that don't have your best interest in mind, okay? They're only interested in them and putting money in their pocket. They don't really care about you, okay? So there's going to be a lot of crap out there, and it's going to hit you from all over the place. But if you get your first sale, it's going to give you the belief, it's going to give you the confidence, and you're going to be able to move on and move up quickly, okay? So the person that just got started has nothing going on. The best thing for you to do is go to an affiliate marketing network. And what you want to do is you want to find a very cheap product that you can sell. Okay, the ones that I like to go for starting off is either JVZoo or Warrior Plus. The reason I like them is because they connect to your PayPal account, and when you make a sale, the sale goes right into your PayPal account. Now, if you're first getting started, it may be a delay of about 15 days, and that's okay, just because you're getting started and you're not really up to speed. Now you can go to other networks like CPN networks and things like that. They just take longer to pay out. Now you get, you obviously you get the sale, you make it happen, but it might take like 30, 45 days for you to actually get paid on that. So that's why I like JVZoo and Warrior Plus, because if you have a PayPal account, it goes right into your PayPal account, and then you can take that money and you can spend it, do whatever you want with it, but it gives you the confidence to continue on. And once you get that first sale and that money's in your PayPal account, and you can take it and go do what you want with it, you can spend it, you can go whatever, you're going to pay some bills, whatever you can do with that money, the satisfaction of that is just going to propel you on to greatness. Because when all of this crap starts coming at you and all these negative stuff and all of this junk comes at you, you're going to remember in your mind, I've had a sale. And when you have family members and friends tell you that the internet's a scam and that you can't really make money, you're going to remember to yourself, I made money, I have money in my PayPal account, I took that money, I was able to spend it. So you're going to have a strong confidence to do that. So JVZoo and Warrior Plus are going to be the two best options to get money right into your account. If you want to get into advanced, you can use Stripe. A lot of the programs will use Stripe, and Stripe will go right into your account too. They can pay that. But PayPal is going to be the easiest way to get up and get running. All right, that's going to be the easiest to get your first sale. Okay, it's going to be the easiest to get up, because here's what happens a lot of times: people get online and they watch a video and they watch some training, and then they think they got to like create products and think they got to do all this stuff. And yeah, you can do all that stuff, and maybe that's down the road, but it might take you 6 months, 8 months, whatever, to build out this product. And if you put it out there and you start making some sales, great. But you need to have that confidence with that first sale starting off right away. So if you find an affiliate offer and you get your affiliate link, then you just go out to the internet and you just start blasting all over the place. You find places where people are looking to business opportunity, people that are looking for home-based business, work at home, places like that. You can go to Facebook groups, and you can go to forums if they allow the signature in the forum. Just go everywhere online and just blast that link out there. Now, some of you that have been around for a while, you're probably thinking, Tyler, that's stupid advice, okay? And it is, but when you're first getting started, I want you to get that first sale. And if you put your link out there and you just get it out in front of the right people, you're gonna get that first sale. It's just gonna happen. Now, I'm not saying that if doing that process, it's not gonna give you big money, but I just want you to get that first initial sale, because that's gonna give you the belief, that's gonna give you the confidence. Okay, so just go out there, take your link, and just get it out there as much as possible. So that way you can get a sale. And start off with like a $7 product, okay? It doesn't, or a $5 product, whatever, $2 product, doesn't really matter. But when that money gets hit, when you get that sale and it gets sent to your PayPal account, and you can take that money and you can go spend it, whatever you want to do, that confidence right there it's magical, okay? And that's what I want you to get to the point of doing that, okay? So just grab your link, post it everywhere. Now, it's not gonna be long-term. Like I said, it's not gonna be long-term. It's not gonna be, you're not gonna quit your day job and do that. But what it's gonna do is gonna propel you on to the next level. It's gonna help you get to the next level. It's gonna help you create your own products or move up into affiliate marketing, really advanced stuff, because you're gonna eventually wanna start building a list, okay? You wanna build an email list. Now, if you already have an email list and you really haven't had any success, go find a very cheap product that you can connect to your PayPal account, grab that link, start emailing your list, okay? Just emailing your list over and over and over again with that same offer until you get that sale, because you need that sale to give you that belief that it works. Because if you spend 6 months, 8 months, and you've not had a sale, your mind is gonna start playing tricks on you. It's gonna start telling you this internet thing doesn't work, or your friend, all these negative emotions are gonna start coming at you, and until you get that first sale, that's what's going to help you. It's going to help you with your mind, and the way your mind is going to start playing tricks on you to start getting you away from this. So that first sale is so important. That's why you got to get it fast. So if you have a list, just start emailing your list. Okay, just get that link, start emailing your list, and eventually, what's going to happen is you get that first sale, and then you want to start building a list, and then you can take that affiliate offer and you can start promoting it. And getting more sales from that, and just start progress from that. And then you take that money and you reinvest it, and you buy more leads, you buy more traffic, and you start building up your list, okay? But getting that first sale is gonna be so important. I can't stress it too much. And anytime I get a new coaching student, that's the first thing we work on. We work on getting that first sale. If you don't have the first sale, it's just, you're gonna struggle. That's why when you get online, you don't want to go for the big home run right away. You don't want to try to get $1,000 product sold, or a $99 product sold. You don't want to go for those big home runs. Just go for the small home runs, the small little wins. And what that's going to do is it's just going to give you the belief so you can move on and move forward. Okay. So again, JV2, Warrior Plus are going to be two great places, because you connect to your PayPal account, you get sales, boom, it goes right in your account. Sometimes, the affiliates they'll put the money right in your account. Sometimes what they'll do is they'll hold the money for about 15 days because you're new and they don't really know, what your traffic is coming from. That's okay. But after 15 days, what they'll do is they'll just release it into your PayPal account automatically. All right. So get up and get running with your affiliate offers. Get that first sale. That's going to give you the belief, and that's going to help you propel yourself to the next levels. All right. If you like this, click on the like button. Also share it with your friends. Comment below. Let me know how I can help your business. This is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed that, and we will see you on the next one.